quiet like this. Who is home? Mama? Queen?
Yeah, brother.
My beautiful sister. My wonderful sister. How are you now?
Fine.
Queen, you're looking fresh, you. Where's Mama?
She's inside, but she's sleeping.
Queen, you're looking fresh, you.
Thank you.
Only 6 months I left to Lagos. You're already fat.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah!
Brother, let's go inside. Let's go inside.
It feels good to be home. Queen. So how you doing now?
I'm fine.
How's the village? Fine girl.
Good afternoon.
Beautiful girl. How are you now?
I'm fine.
You're looking so sexy.
Thank you.
Hey! Anyanwu tutu. Ugegbe misha. Hey, Adanye. See, I'm sorry. You know that when a man hates a lady like this, there is something coming up. You understand? The thing is, I just came back from the city. As a township and city boy that I am, I saw you when you passed my place and I decided to come and block you here to tell you 1 or 2 things. You understand?
Yes, I saw you that day.
Hey, you saw me, have you? I know you saw me. I got my eyes on you and you got your eyes on me. See, the thing is, see, I've been in Lagos for like 10 years now and I don't have any girlfriend. I don't have a wife. I'm single and searching and I knew I was going to see you. You understand? In fact, God destined me to see you that day. And I say, I don't know if you can be my queen, so I can take you to Lagos. You be my Lagos queen.
You know, I like you too, but you know all these city people now. You can leave here now, you go back to your girlfriends and you forget about me.
Me, girlfriend?
Yes.
I swear with my life, I don't have a girlfriend. I'd never ever had a girlfriend. For the past 20 years now, I've been searching. And see, it's not that I'm going to go to Lagos and live here. I'm going to take you along.
Are you sure?
As my partner, my wife to be, that I will introduce you to my people. What do you think?
I'll be happy.
So, is that a yes?
Yes.
Yes. So you agree to be my girlfriend?
Yes.
Hey, you know what? Bring it down. Let me help you. Let me start taking the responsibilities from here. Put it on my head. Put this one on my head. Let me carry it. Hey, my angel. So you be my girlfriend?
Yes.
See, anytime you want to fetch water next time, call me.
Thank you.
So what will you be calling me now that we're dating?
My love.
My love. Hey, let's go.
Thank you.
I love you too. My baby. My princess, Bewa, my lover, my angel. You're looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Hey, what kept you for this long now?
Sorry, I was busy doing something at home.
See, that's why I want to take you to Lagos. So the anytime I want to see you like this, I don't need to wait for long. You just come, we just enter inside. How are you now?
I'm fine.
You're looking beautiful.
Thank you.
See, I promise you, if I take you to Lagos, I will package you. You see all these village boys, you will leave them, and all the Lagos boys will start running after you.
Are you sure?
Hey, Omali Shangwa. Hey, please dance for me now. You don't know how to dance. You don't know how to dance. You still don't know how to dance. Don't worry, when I take you to Lagos, I'll teach you how to dance.
Okay. Okay. Yes. No run, no. No run, no. No run, no. So, so now you now have the effrontery to come from Lagos and start destabilizing our
devouring our guests.
You mad? Go down. You mad?
Okay, go down.
You mad?
No, I did not do anything to her now.
Don't come close, though. Don't come close, though. You, Abi?
Bewa, are you there, girl?
You are now coming to snatch woman from us.
Abi?
We that are in this village before you came.
No, I want to marry her now. She's single. She told me she's single. She said she's single.
You say yes. Why you believe her?
I don't buy for me yesterday.
Why you believe her?
Without gossip, where you chop?
See, I want to marry her. I want to marry her.
Yes.
Yes.
Is it that's how you go marry her?
Yes, it's Grace.
Is it that's how you go marry
Marry
her?
where?
You want marry person wife? They mad?
Bro, Simona, calm down. I'm gonna calm down. See, since I came to this village, I saw her and I liked her.
Yes.
You understand? You said a guy. You said a guy.
Man,
now.
tell you one thing. I dey see vision like this. So I dey see like say he dey evil forest.
Let's carry this boy to evil forest. You no agree?
See, bro, it's marriage like that. See, Simona, calm down. You said a guy. You be guy. If you see girl you like, you know go meet am. See, I get plan. See, the thing is, see, I'll take you, the both of you to Lagos. You understand? I'll carry both of you to Lagos. So that when you go, you see beautiful girls, and when you come back like this, girls will be following you up and down like flies.
You know Grace? I don't agree. Go move. Make we align. Let's align.
Come this side.
Go there. He said it because you believe him.
If you don't know,
I believe him that. Never could come back here.
we won't leave the girl for you because we won't carry us go Lagos.
That is it. Come on. See, I go back to you. I never go afternoon.
Bros, no verse now. See, I'll take you to Lagos. See, when you get to Lagos, you even see fine girls.
Which day? Which day?
Happy?
Which day?
You want to go?
They mad.
See, all you have to do is go home and pack your bags, package everything, then come to my house in the morning. You know my house, Abi? Come to my house in the morning. We're leaving early morning. Sure, we are going to take flight. We are going to take flight.
In-law.
In-law. How come we show you?
Now,
Hello.
small, sha.
No problem.
Make we dey go.
I'll give you your own when we get to Lagos. I'll give you double.
No, we hear say you dey now. Say we come fight you.
No problem. No, it's good to protect your girls.
I no dey go like, I go prepare wetin I go wear.
Okay, we go see now.
No, you don't get clothes. Is that now? Hey, small.
Lagos.
Don't give
I'll
am
take
belle.
them to Lagos. Hope you go with us.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You know what? Let's go do one or two. We use the back of that tree. Come.
We don't come. Also never late. Street. Come outside, I beg. Where they go? I don't know. Street.
Yeah, I'll go back to Lagos.
How? Street. We dey talk to your brother wey come from Lagos.
Yeah, I've gone back to Lagos.
Where? How? Where did it pass?
This side.
This side.
Where did it pass?
No be around the other road where they listen.
And we did not even see him. What time? What time did he leave?
I don't really know.
That means he has gone since.
But now this side dey follow.
This guy have just
Abeg, guy.
he has just pop your